Hi, in this video I'll be replacing the laptop battery. This is a Dell Inspiron 5000 series. So if you have the Inspiron model like 5300, 5301, 5401, 5501, 5502, so those are all 5000 series. You can follow along with the video on how to replace the battery. And if you have a Dell Latitude, the 3000 series, it should be the same, more or less the same. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is a replacement battery, and I need to replace because there's an indicator in the computer. Every time when you turn on the computer, it says that something's wrong with the battery. Please go ahead and change it out. So if your laptop is about 4 or 5 years old, I think it is time to change out the battery. If you feel like the laptop is swollen in the back of your laptop here, if you feel like it's really hard to press or like a lump in the back of the cover, that more likely telling you that the laptop battery is swollen. Another indicator is the trackpad, your touchpad. If the touchpad clicker is not working, you're having a hard time to click on it, then more likely also indicates that the battery is swollen from the internal part of it, causing the laptop acting up. So hopefully this video walk you through from start to finish and how to replace the battery. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. This is a regular Phillips screwdriver. The 3 screws here on the top that do not come off. All you have to do is just unscrew them and gently pry it open. Okay, so give it away. Gently kind of push it apart to pry it open, and the entire back cover will just come right off. So this is the internal part of the computer. As you can see that the battery is here at the bottom, just right underneath the touchpad, the clicker. So if your clicker is giving you the problem, you might want to check the battery first, okay? Now the next step is to go ahead and you can either disconnect this cable here or the one that's here at the bottom, because we need to transfer that cable over to the replacement battery. To connect the connector, all you have to do is slide the connector down towards the body. And for this cable here, all you have to do is just to lift it straight up. Lift it up. All right, the next step is to go ahead and remove the battery. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver here. Okay, and that is the old battery. You need to install the cable. All you have to do is just push it back in. Transfer it back to the laptop. It's very straightforward. There are 5 screws holding the battery. Just put it back in. The next step is to go ahead and install the connector. You need to slide it back. So position in a way like such and slide it up. And have the tape to tape it back down. Install the back cover. And put the screws back all together. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you need to find out if you're interested to get the battery and replace it yourself, please check the link down the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find a replacement part for this this battery here. And the model for the battery is H5CKD. That's the model for this one. I'll link it down in the description below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and bye now.